Now, main event of the night. This is going to be a long night for you tomorrow, man. What's the preparation going to be like when you're in the locker room?
Oh man, I'm going to watch the fights. You know, it is a long night getting there for the rules meeting and everything. It's going to be a long day, so I'm going to soak it in and enjoy the event. Rise of the Warriors is a great event, you know, so I'm going to soak it in and watch like everybody else. And then when it's game time, you know, I'll go turn it on and get ready to do my thing.
Now, you just got out of a war pretty much, going up against Solomon, I believe it is. A draw, and then you had to fight him again at levels, and it pretty much turned out in your favor. I know how happy you are that it's all over.
No, man, I love the war. I love being in the war, man. And Fred's been saying he thinks it's going to be a war, so let's go to war, baby.
All right, great, man. Raymond Kemp, Federico. Team Popovich.
House, baby, on the house.
Great, man. Now, 6 wins, 6 submissions. You're phenomenal when you're on the ground. Are you looking to take this one on the ground as well?
Man, I'm like God's instrument, so whatever God wants to happen tomorrow will happen. You know, either win or lose, I'm here for a fight. And me and Raymond have been willing to fight each other for a while now, and tomorrow's the night, baby. Let's do it.
I was just going to bring that up because, I mean, I got to interview you, and you said you almost fought Raymond Kemp in the past. Now you're happy that you're able to go out there and fight him. And I had my first interview with you, I believe at Rise of Warrior 5. He was one of the fighters you was pretty much wanted to fight. How excited you are now to finally get this chance?
Man, I'm excited because this is the beginning. I want to be in the UFC. I don't do this for fun. I want to do like a long-term career. So, man, I want to fight the best. And Raymond, in my eyes, is one of the best. So, man, let's do it, bro. Let's do it.
Give it up for the main event of the night.
That's right. That was your main event.